What's up, guys? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. This video is a little compilation of my favorite videos from 2024. Beginning of 2024, I made a vow to post every week, and I'm happy to say that this is my 50th video of the year. I've learned a lot, got a lot farther. Hope you guys enjoy it. Comment below which of the videos are your favorites so I can really focus on them for 2025. It's just onward and upward from here, guys. Thank you, guys. Let's get into it. Good morning. Let's head to Rhode Island.
All right, let's see how low she is. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. All right, guys, this is a pretty surreal moment. I'm driving. I just pulled away from Garage just now, and I'm driving the FD. I'm stressed. New York City. Let's head to New York City. Easy. About to make this 11-hour trip in the new car, and I figured we'd GoPro vlog it next to the GR up in New York, and we're going to Charlotte, North Carolina. We have made it! The Rotary made it! It's been, what is it, Amanda? It's 5:24, we left at 6, just under 12 hours. Oh baby. Car is in the garage. I still got to clean it up. We're going to do the 2024 is going to be huge. Starting from the beginning, weekly uploads every week, and I'm sticking to it. We've got...
All right, let's go. What? Look at that. Needs epoxy floors. That'll happen next, too.
These guys made at Ace Wrap. They have actually both brothers, Simon and Kevin. They both have FDs, and they hooked it up, which was super awesome of them. Bring a lot for this factory Momo. I freaking love it. It is yet, but I got the JP3 Motorsports tray in with the premix. Stay tuned for this thing to be on the ground on some tires. All right, ready?
Ready, go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Barn find. Look at this thing.
Stored for years. Neglected by its owner. Ready. An old girl. Yeah, and then we'll take, if that other block is usable, I'll build that as another spare, and we'll just keep going back and forth. But yeah, here we go. Let's do it. Woo! You know what? That's cleaner water than I expected. Yeah. Don't lie. Look at that. Come on. Holy shit. Holy shit tits. Side.
It's probably hard on video, but there's a little discoloration.
Let's go.
Ridiculous prices.
The prices are.
So the line ends up right here. I was talking to the phone. But yeah. Looks like they got some wheels over in the corner. My people. What do you think? I like it. I like it.
Is it? I mean,
Stock 2J.
here it is. Enjoy.
It's like Interlagos blue. This is insane. Right? Like, what is going on? Sick. Yeah, I had the ECO controller. The
It's not my
ITR, Cayman Dakar kind of thing. That Volkswagen that Noah likes. 190E. Oh, God.
I don't love
Fucking
it, but it's cool.
trouble. Hell yeah. And we started last night, so put the front end on. And, yeah.
Radiator, should we get you?
Hell yeah, baby, first try.
Project. I'm selling the GS and I got this GX, GX 470. So I missed my 4Runner, so it's time to get back into one of these. And this is pretty much. It's pretty butt banging, I'm not gonna lie. Like this right here, this shot. Pretty damn sweet. Woo-wee. Hell yeah, that was a fun little curve.
And yeah, that's pretty much what all of this is. Painted, and all of this was welded shut, so that added up as well. But again, doing the work yourself really makes this a lot cheaper. And finding, I kind of wait to buy parts until I find them for, you know, affordable prices, or someone's trying to let it go for cheap, or that's the situations I wait for. I've had this car almost 10 years, so yeah, that's my baby girl. Ready? There's a racetrack within 45 minutes.
Well, this is perfect. The car is perfect. They're really, really impressed.
Had some fun.
It ain't tricking if you got it, and I got it. It's so bad, I just wanna take a shot. I got it. Later on, hit the club and get it poppin'. Girl, I told you it ain't tricking if you got it. I got it, you got it, I got it. I don't want it. It's so bad, I wanna see you in the morning. I got it. So bad, I wanna see you when you moan. You can have whatever you want. Baby, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, cause baby, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it.
Can't stop cause I feel the rush.
What's up, guys? We're coming up on 1 year of ownership of the RX7, and I kind of want to go through what it was like in this year of ownership and debunk some of is the RX7 FD the most unreliable car in the world? I want to tell you why I don't think it is, and come on this journey with us. Back down to everywhere you go, people love this thing. It's just a people's car. People are just excited to see it. Thank you. Again.
The GR86 with the 3-cylinder turbo from the GR Corolla. Really badass Nissan R34 tribute to the Paul Walker. I think it's might be a show winner for me. Is that the, yep, it's the V12. Super cool. This thing is beautiful.
Mark, you're right, the GR86 stuff like that. But it's like, okay, I get that, right?
Is this? Yeah, it's Joe's car. Cool. Cool to see Joe's car in person. Okay, these are gorgeous. I think I really like this color combo with the powder coating on the radiator and the piping and the matching center. Nice coil pack setup. These beams are actually really gorgeous. Beautiful. Late 80s Porsche SC. Honestly, I don't know the year. I'll find out in a second. But yeah, beautiful vehicle. You can see the photos. Here. Again, thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and let's get it for 2025. We're hitting 52 videos for sure, and we're gonna try and really make something of this. So yeah, thank you guys for along the ride. This is the beginning. Peace.